The event introduced the first ever Innovations Award competition to South African designers and manufacturers. The competition's aim to showcase the products perceived to be pioneers in South Africa's automotive aftermarket.
It was an idea that Automechanika SA had. We put out a call to our readers, who are mostly members of the RMI, Automobile being the official journal for the RMI, the Retail Motor Industry Organization. And we got a pretty big response, a very encouraging response. And from there, the competition was underway. You know, when the first entry came in, you thought, gee, we've got one. When the 12th entry came in, we thought, gee, we've got a dozen. And then they started to roll in. And it was interesting. They came from all sectors of South Africa's automotive industry. The competition, in terms of the rules, try to be as representative as possible, so products from various sectors of the industry, including car wash, service station, the repair and diagnostics industries, they all contributed. We were very pleased.
We first saw it when we were in Frankfurt, Automechanika, Germany last year, where they had a stand dedicated to innovation entrance and a final award. And essentially the idea is to identify products that are unique, that set new benchmarks in a number of different criteria, something that is really different and takes the technology to a new level.
Of the 24 entries, the judges narrowed it down to only 8 finalists. The 8 products ranged from super quiet windscreen wipers to breathalyzer-based immobilizers.
The need for a breathalyzer-based vehicle immobilizer system was identified by a Swedish distributor. In Sweden, they specifically required that for taxis and buses, that you cannot start the vehicle if the driver is over the legal alcohol limit. We developed a wireless unit, which was the first in the world, very popular for taxi users. The product we submitted for this award was a tethered unit. The vehicle, trucks, buses, it's very harsh. It gets very hot inside the vehicle cab, so we had to develop a product that will withstand the harsh South African environment, and we developed a tethered unit. So it's a breathalyzer immobilizer that stays in the cab of the vehicle, and as you know, if a truck or car stands in the sun, it gets very hot, up to 80 degrees in there, and you should be able to give it a breath sample. So the product is very innovative and has so-called anti-circumvention features. You must realize if somebody has a breathalyzer in his car and he comes to the car and he's intoxicated, he wants to start that car, and he might start doing all sorts of things like blowing with an air hose or a balloon or sucking at the back, and all those anti-circumvention features we've built into the unit.
The breathalyzer immobilizer took home the bronze award, but